Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I really just want to come on here and just say thank you to all of you who have subscribed to the channel so far. I can't thank you enough. The channel has grown tremendously. I can't imagine how much growth I had by posting just one video. By posting one video, I got 1,200 subscribers to join the channel. That's amazing. That just tells me that there's a lot of you, there are lots of you out there who want this content, and I will try my best to continue to make good content for you guys. Also, to come on here and let you know that there's still time for you to sign up for the waiting list on my course, which is going to be ending in about 2 days. So I said in my previous video that the course will be going live very soon, which I am planning to release very soon. But to get a 50% discount on the course, you have to join the waiting list by the end of this month, meaning join the waiting list by the 31st of December 2025. If you do that before the end of this month, you get a 50% discount. But don't worry, at some point in the future, I'm going to put a discount on the course again. But unfortunately, if you don't sign up by the 31st, the sign up with the waiting list is going to be closed. So there's still chance for you to do that. So you have 2 more days for you to be able to sign on. And if you're watching this video in a later date and you're unable to sign in and sign up for a 50% discount, don't worry. At some point, I will re-release the course for a 50% discount again. The other thing I wanted to do is just introduce the next video that I'm going to be working on and re-listen as well on this channel. And like always, every video that I release is going to come with a free download. I'm always going to have a free download of the file, of the scene file in Unreal Engine. Now, it's typically going to be the beginnings of the scene, meaning I've already worked on the scene, a little bit, but I wanted to, modify it or make it look even spectacular and add more materials and things like that. So I'm going to release a free content, meaning the scene is going to be released for free. You can download it and do what you want with it. But what you also get is the making of video as well. So here is the new project I'm going to be working on in my next video on my channel. This project, I created this project a while back, and I really want to upgrade this project as well. This project is going to cover a lot of aspects to it. One of the aspects I want to cover is just making a natural environment like I did in one of my previous videos that got a few thousand views is on it. I'm going to be creating a really unique scene here where we're going to be going through how I created this collapsible tent or a shelter, so to speak, that you can easily collapse, and the materials that were used in it, and how I actually ended up animating and rigging some of the components of the shelter. The materials were created in Substance Designer, some of it were hand painted, and the animation itself really looks very compelling in terms of the fabric, the way the fabric is folding. And I'm going to go through how I did all of that. I'll take you through my process inside of 3D Studio Max, and then we can go back into Unreal Engine and detail this scene out. Like I said before, you're going to be getting this file for free, and you can use it however you want. And as always, I want you to be very respectful and do not go ahead and sell this to people. I want this to be a learning experience for you. So this file is going to be packaged up when I release my next video, and you're going to get this for free. You don't have to pay anything for the scene. You're going to get all of everything you're seeing in this scene right now, you're going to get for free. However, the final video that I will make, the animations that I will make, will be a lot different than this. I'm going to change the environment up. Just kind of like, if you've been following the channel, you'll notice that the last file I released was an early version of the final scene that was released and that was shown in the video that you watched on the channel. And that's my goal. My goal is for people to be able to watch what I create, see the end result, but also see where I started, so that you can take the base file that I make available for you and use that as your jumping off point to create your own unique scene. This file was really amazing to work in, and actually this was created in UE4, and this was when I was still using all of the tricks inside of UE4. Back then you had to use the light propagation volume to kind of get the same type of thing that Lumen is doing now. You had to play some tricks to get, really good visuals. But I'll be going through how all the fabric were created. You see the crisp animation on the fabric, on how it's folding, and how I got all of that into Unreal, how I rigged up the tent itself to kind of collapse on itself, and a little bit of the materials as well. Most of this were painted in Substance Designer, so I can go over that as well. But my goal again for this channel is for people to learn and grow as well, create really good content, because I really believe that Unreal Engine has the power to change the way you do visualizations. You don't have to rely on tools like V-Ray to create the best visuals. You can rely on Unreal Engine to create spectacular imagery, and also take those files and create really unique content with them that can go to, say for instance, a real-time application of some sort that you put on a website or you run through a device. So again, if you're really interested in things like this, continue to follow my journey on this channel. And if you know anyone who's interested in things like this, architecture visualization and product visualization as well, because to me this is a product visualization. You're taking a tent design, something that you can actually sell in real life. You can package it. One of my thoughts in the near future is to actually create an entire video that is going to take you through the journey of creating a product and doing a marketing campaign for that product. That's something that's coming in the future on the channel. I'm not gonna hold anything back in terms of my process when I go through that whole product marketing collaterals that are going to be created. I'm going to show you everything and go through my thought process as well. So I'm not going to keep this video too long. I just wanted to show you guys what this scene looks like and what my next video is going to look like. And I just want to drive around the scene a little bit more so that you can see what's happening inside of Unreal Engine. So if I show you the environment, there isn't a lot here right now, but I think once I'm done, because I'm redesigning the scene, once I'm done it's going to look absolutely amazing. So stick around for that, and I will see you in the next video when this project is released. And then again, do not forget, you still have time to sign up for the course. In the course, I'm going to be teaching all of the skills that I use to create some of my amazing visuals. So I believe if that's one of your interests, to be able to create really compelling visuals, you can sign up for the course. The waiting list is still open. It's going to be closed after January 31st, but I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for your support.